Here at Synextra, we review fat stacks of CVs from technical resources. We've reviewed well over 1,000 CVs, and trust me, we've seen some awful ones. Your CV is your only chance to present yourself and to get the attention of a potential future employer.
Can I please have your attention?
Who no doubt receives a huge number of applications for each and every single role that they put out. So, how do you get to stand out in that kind of world? Well, we're going to tell you 7 ways you can sharpen your CV to land your ideal tech job. Number 1, good spelling and grammar matters. Get Grammarly or someone to proofread it before you send it over, because believe it or not, very few recruiters actually take the time to read CVs and to fix grammatical errors. Number 2, make use of a template or some form of design to make it look presentable. It doesn't need to look like you work for a design agency, but it can help to make you stand out. And Comic Sans MS is definitely off the menu.
Oh my god, ew, David!
Number 3, don't make it too long. We don't necessarily need to know what you did in the last 20 years because technology moves on so fast. Make sure experience is relevant. Something like the last 2 to 3 roles and the last 7 to 10 years is plenty sufficient. If they want the rest, they can always check on your LinkedIn. Number 4, give it a bit of personality. Avoid the use of jargon. Talk about actual scenarios and how you help to solve problems rather than using a load of buzzwords, because if you do that, you really risk watering down conveying what you actually did to help your end users. Number 5, include some personal interests, whether that's like hobbies, podcasts, pets you've got. This all helps people like me to understand what kind of character you might be and how you might fit into our organization. Number 6, include your LinkedIn URL and make sure what's on LinkedIn matches your CV. Get a decent looking headshot, even if it's taken with a camera phone at home. And last but not least, everyone forgets this. Don't forget a cover letter. Why is this? Put simply, it's the thing that very few people will actually take the time to do. And when applying for jobs, working with people like us, it will help you to stand out and get noticed. We hope you enjoyed today's tips. If you liked today's video, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video.